If you're experiencing audio desync issues in GTA 5, this guide will help you resolve the problem quickly. Follow these steps to get your audio back in sync with the gameplay. Step 1. Check audio settings. Go to the game's audio settings and make sure that the audio output device is set correctly. Ensure that it matches the device you are using, such as headphones or speakers. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Ensure that your audio drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website for your sound card or use the driver update tool to download and install the latest drivers. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on a platform like Steam or Epic Games, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This will check for any corrupted files and replace them as needed. Step 4. Adjust in-game audio options. Try changing the audio quality settings in the game. Lowering the audio quality or switching between stereo and surround sound options can sometimes resolve desync issues. Step 5. Restart the game. After making changes, restart GTA 5 to apply the new settings. This can help reset any temporary glitches that may be causing the audio desync. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the audio desync issue in GTA 5. If problems persist, consider checking online forums for additional solutions or updates from the game developers.